To our friend Tara Tesher, who's bringing us Temp-tations. I was on at 2 o'clock in the morning, and you can tell right here that we were up. We were up together at 2 o'clock in the morning, and it's amazing. You're wondering, is anybody watching Tara Tesher? And man, there were lots and lots of people shopping for you and your brand at 2 o'clock in the morning last night. It's great to have you back. How are you?
It is great to be here. I'm a little disappointed that Amy's favorite guest is GZ and not me. I mean, I thought it was me, but that's all right. I mean, we have a here.
In terms of individual items that we have, the individual brands, yeah, you just went. We got this Jeffersonian pan, but the number of Temp-tations we have, believe me, you are in the lead. What is a Squoval? Let's just get out of the way right off the top.
Yeah, so I have to say $7.50 per piece, and here's what a Squoval is. A Squoval is the marriage between an oval and a rectangle. And what I love about it is, Rick, it takes up less space in your oven, less space in your fridge. You have that elongated baker. You're looking at one of the minis right there. Those are 10 ounces in all of our colors, but you're going to receive not just a 3-quart baker, a 2-quart baker, 2 liddits. What's a lidit? Your lidit is actually your cookie sheet. It's your cutting board. It's your serving platter. It's the lid for on top of that beautiful baker, and it's the trivet for underneath.
I mean, come on.
We also include the 10-ounce ramekins, so a 3-quart, a 2-quart, the 2 liddits, and your ramekins, all with snap-on storage covers. This is such a great starter set if you've never tried Temp-tations before, or if you've been collecting, these are going to be your go-to pieces as a must-have.
This, by the way, this price goes away at end of day. It's not 2 o'clock in the morning, Tara. It's now prime time. So if you want to get your opportunity right now, the price is about to go away. Also, if one of these colors sells out, guess what? It is never, ever coming back. A retiring style from Temp-tations with millions and millions of sets ordered in the past of various things in Temp-tations. Retiring style, so no reorder on it. Unbelievable in terms of what you're getting and the value in the Squovals. Let's go through the colors and then we'll put this thing to work. What do we have right here, right in front of us, if you will, Tara?
So the set in front of you, that is actually your red set, completely stacked so that you can see all of the pieces. This is your floral lace. Next door, that's your cranberry, a little softer, more muted.
Got it.
Followed by green, again, hand-painted inside, carved on the outside. Your cobalt blue, always our most popular in our floral lace. Next door to that, is that the black, Rick?
It is.
It is the black, thank you. Then we have, of course, your spice. So again, I love that for your autumnal colors. Your light blue next door to the spice. Your chocolate there. Again, I love the chocolate, super neutral. And then last but not least, I believe at the very end next to the chocolate is going to be is that your eggplant?
No, this is actually, let me clarify that. This is the black.
Okay.
There's the eggplant right there.
They look the same to me on the Skype, so sorry about that.
No, we've got it. There's that eggplant. Got it. Love, love, love. Okay, there you go in your floral lace. And then here comes the old world, right?
There's your old world. Where do you want to start? At the end, there's, of course, is that our cobalt blue?
This is the black.
What? I can't see that. Oh, my God. I'm getting glasses after the show, by the way. There's black.
And you know what?
There you go. Thank you for the close-up, guys. There, of course, is going to be your cranberry, that beautiful light color tone. There's your brown. There's your confetti. Next door to that is going to be your spice. There's your eggplant. Now I see you purple. Then, of course, next to that, there is that beautiful cobalt blue, your green, which is what started it all.
Yep.
And then at the very end, there's your cranberry, nice, soft, muted tone with the pops of reds and yellows.
Just so much going on here. I'm going to move this back because I want to make sure that everybody realizes what you are getting here. Because there is a lot within this set, my friend. There is a lot going on. We've got them stacked up. But look at it this way. This expiring price, that's amazing what you are getting. Look at all in the Squoval, the rectangle meets the oval, to serve, to bake, to make. Love it. Now break these up for presents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do the math on that per piece, including the big guy. Amazing. Now look what our food stylist did. Along with me, I did most of this work earlier today. I came in and did this, as you can see. Take a look at the possibilities. Tara, they're endless, are they not?
Wow. Rick, you put us to shame. Please share with us what you made there. What's in that baker there?
This is some cookies, and it's like a ice cream, and that's a cobbler, like a cobbler. I made
it's like a box cake. So what's nice about that is you have an entire dessert station that you see there, whether you're making your holiday bark, whether you're baking, whether you're serving on here. You have that coordinated look for all of those great pieces. You, of course, have a beautiful cobbler. So a cold dessert, a hot dessert. So just using these baking pieces alone for that is fantastic. And I think the smaller pieces, your 3-quart, your 2-quart, what's nice about those is we're having smaller gatherings these days.
Yeah.
So these pieces will fit in perfectly.
Great.
Then look what we did in the middle there. This is kind of your essential everyday set, right? It's what you would kind of serve your mashed potatoes, your stuffing, that sliced turkey. Maybe you're not going to do the big 24-pound bird because there's no need.
I love that idea.
Right.
Look
now
at
you
that.
have a great, elegant way to serve it. Look at that. It's sliced. It feels special. And you have the right piece for the right job.
Indeed. And first time ever at this price. About to go away, an expiring price, a sale price. So all of it is about to say goodbye. So the choices are there with no reorder whatsoever. I think the shape is really space saving and it's really elegant as well. Obviously,
right.
You've got your handles on both sides. So the point of Temp-tations is, look, you can put it in the fridge, you can put it in the oven if you want to, but it's elegant enough to take right to the table, right?
You're right. And this is truly one dish cooking. So we've been here for 18 years. We've shared over 20 million sets with you. And at the heart of it, this is what it's about. Company's coming and the company's up. You're prepping in here. You're not then transferring it into something else that you can bake in. You're actually putting this in the oven up to 500 degrees. And then you're not transferring into something that's pretty like this. You're leaving it right in here. And then when you bring it to the table to serve in it, you're good. You snap the storage cover on it. You're literally prepping, cooking, serving, and storing just in one piece. In this case, you're getting 6.
You know what I want to do? Let's go bottom up, and I'll stack these up. I'll point, you name them, and then we'll go through what you're getting again. Right here, Tara.
That is our 3-quart lidded. What's a lidded? It's a cookie sheet. It's a cutting board. It's the trivet. Go ahead for under the baker, or it can be the lid when that snap-on storage cover isn't on there, Rick, for on top of the baker. So double duty cooking. Next door to that is going to be your 2-quart lidded. Again, same thing with your 2-quart Squoval baker. Our Squovals are incredibly popular. They're not going away, but this set is retiring. And then 2 of your 10-ounce personal size, either ramekins, little soup bowls, little dessert bowls. I love the compactness, if that's a word. I know you were making up some words last night, but the compactness of this set and all of the useful pieces that you'd want to use.
Checking Wikipedia. No, it's not a word. Compactness is not a word. You know what is a word? 2 words, $5. That's a word. $5, and it has to do with, coming up, these mugs. These mugs are amazing. $5 gift box included. You pay $5 just for a gift bag with other gifts. Not here. They rocked last night, and they're about